Hello, Video 2, the movie. Having in the meet the movie than you work on activity 2, you are going to record a video and answering the following quiz. Movie name, Hack Sam Rigid. The plot. Beijing cannot anything. Beijing. Desmond Doss is a young man against violence who lives in a family. Lolet within. I favor a former US Army soldier. Returns home working and his only escapes. Belvin is alcohol and violent. After Japan attack of Pearl Harbor, every man of age must voluntarily enlist in the army to defend each country, but those is against violence and will never carry a rifle. Keynote is two sons in adolescent deciding to serve their country, saying in so much violence than their father hates is with. In on of two main discussion than the husband and one of their sons named Desmond Doss intervening defending their mother would the takes the weapon tandis the father had pointed and his head to will hip for the damage caused to his mother. Desmond thank you thrown and the hovered the weapons because the damages did not exist in is the heart much. Let's kill a person. Ending. Desmond and his the brother had ready to appear in the army and serve, as they had agreement of sincere hope. Desmond means he will walk they fall in the love and they marry being in the battalion. He revives money, ridiculous and aggression from his the companions for wanting to serve as war doctor. Having a Bible always and for not thank you. And finally it is time to the Beatle and Desmond sabe 75 meant is companions and superiors. We Saint Hope great than mine had done without any weapon, begging to respect him, admire him, without him they did not continue the guard with generosity, confidence, and courage to continue finity. And the end when the word was decorated and recognized in many logos. Head was a very exemplary man and to always admire. What did you learn about the movie? Tan you can the finding in the words budget with the habit to harm and join to the heart and joint always to sting in the love that good with us to do things we. How did the movie make fulfill? Sad to see how they made fun of a noble man who loved good above it all things good and the same time happy for the great teaching her brings to our lives. Although the movie related to the academic program you are studying, it is glad to the camaraderie with most have and ten working as a team achieved great results. Another ending for the movie could be I would like in this film and space agreements and political agreements had been reached between Japan and the US, so as the two have avoided the loss of so many lives. I would also like that within and the solidarity they were more like the young Desmond Doss actor. Thank you.